Hello chemistry lovers, it's me, Mete. Today I'm going to show some cool chemical experiments that you can do easily in your home. Let's start with our first experiment. First, I will perform a chemical experiment that will yield a gas, which we can use to inflate a balloon. Let's add some sugar, some warm water, please. In the fermentation of sugar solutions, when yeast is added to the solution, glucose is broken down to ethanol and carbon dioxide by the action of zymase enzymes in the yeast by decomposition reaction. We can capture the carbon dioxide by attaching a balloon to the top of the container. Let's see what happened to the balloon and the equation for the inflation. If you mix baking soda with vinegar, you can have your own fun volcano. Let me show. This chemical reaction actually occurs in two steps. First, there is double displacement reaction, in which acetic acid in vinegar reacts with sodium bicarbonate to form sodium acetate and carbonic acid. Carbonic acid is unstable and undergoes a decomposition reaction to produce carbon dioxide gas and water. Now let's see the chemical equations. Now let me perform an experiment that demonstrates the synthesis reaction. When you add water to plaster of Paris, an exothermic reaction occurs, which results in the formation of gypsum. You can put gypsum into any shape, and when it's set, you can even have any waves. Here is our vase. Want to see the equation? I believe we all drink milk and probably Coke. Do you ever try to mix them? If you add some milk to a bottle of Coke, the phosphoric acid molecules contained in Coke reacts with the calcium contained in milk and a precipitation reaction occurs. Let's mix the two. And wait for a while. We can see the solid particles sink to the bottom, while the liquid floating on the top. Wonder what the chemical reactions are? Now let's perform an exciting experiment called the black snake. First, combine sugar with baking soda. Then fill a tray with sand and pour some alcohol on it. Place your sugar and baking soda mix in the center. When we light the mix, it turns black and the snake begins to grow. This carbon snake is a product of three chemical reactions. In the first reaction, sugar combusts in the presence of oxygen. This produces carbon dioxide and water vapor, which pushes the mixture upwards. Some of the sugar heats up, but doesn't have access to any oxygen. So instead of burning, it undergoes decomposition, producing solid carbon and water vapor. Finally, the baking soda also decomposes, producing sodium carbonate, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Altogether, these three reactions produce the solid components of the snake, namely carbon and sodium carbonate, and hot gases, carbon dioxide and water vapor, that expand and inflate the snake up and out of the sand bowl. The sand does not chemically react with anything, it just helps distributing the heat evenly. Here you can see the chemical equations. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.